you tired of feeling misunderstood and facing unwanted outcomes in your interactions despite all your efforts to communicate effectively? Or are you stuck in a cycle of miscommunication even after learning about emotional intelligence? And have you tried countless solutions from communication workshops to seminars to self-help books to online courses, yet you find yourself struggling with the same frustration? I understand your frustration very well. Trust me, the truth is, most solutions out there focus on external techniques, tons of theory, content, moreover, they're exhaustive processes and sounds great only as theory. But there is one key element that is either missing or overlooked in the entire game of communication. पता है क्या है? वो है आपका emotional state that truly has the potential to transform your communication in every area of your life. Because I would say to the extent that communication is 80% unconscious in nature and only about 20% conscious processes. Imagine your emotions align with your words, your thoughts effortlessly. You are being authentic, yet you connect with others on a deeper level. How can it happen? It's not about what you say, it's about how you feel what you say. The key to unlocking powerful communication and influence lies in raising your emotional state. By the way, you'll be surprised to know that state is different than feelings. Feeling is a broad term. State is the fuel of emotions, and what you need, my friend, is a fundamental shift at the unconscious level that will redefine your communication style. In neurolinguistic programming, state is everything. Once you learn to manage your own emotional state and then people in your life, consequently, you will be naturally able to influence and start getting desired outcomes in your interactions with people in your life, be it professional or personal. So join the ranks of those who have transformed their lives through this groundbreaking approach, be it personal or professional life. Don't settle for surface level solutions which give you mediocre, temporary, generic, one-size-fits-all solutions, when the key to impactful communication lies right within you. So I will see you in the next video. Hope you find it helpful. Share it, save it, and shower lots of love and blessings. Bye-bye.